As you can see, my mom is trying to make some sharply jollof rice, and I'm asking her why the bottle is outside. I said we didn't see that the bottle in it. This one,
so that the oil in come down.
My mom is so stingy. Can you imagine? This is oil. She doesn't want to waste it. She's so stingy. This is the pan she's going to use to prepare the jollof rice. Agnes kitchen, she's going to use the olive oil. The problem is her, Italiano. It's not very strong, but we will manage. She's using the olive oil. That's what normally we use in Italy. Anyway, in Italy, well, when I was here, I didn't used to use the vegetable oil to cook my sauce or anything, whatever, unless I'm going to fry. That is why I use the vegetable oil or sunflower oil. But if not, it's the olive oil we normally use. Here is the outside down bottle. No?
Okay.
She doesn't want to waste. You see, when you 2 spoons, say it's going to be a film. It's all kodoa. Mom bonjid. Agnes kitchen. Is our spices, so man. Or one zama. My mom has got stuff. Is waha. See, she's going to start cooking. She got her proper finissima. This is like chopped tomatoes, really like mashed kind of tomatoes. Yeah, that's what she's going to use. And she's also going to use her onion and then puree tomato. This is her puree tomatoes. That's what she's going to use. So we wait until she starts and then we'll get back. So don't skip through the video. So we have the onion in the olive oil now. Guys, you have to try cooking with olive oil. It's very healthy and it makes the food, the taste becomes very unique. Yeah, Orokodo, this is Agnes kitchen. Yeah, mom bonjour. This is hot chili from the freezer, so she's just trying to cut it. I told you we are preparing sharply jollof rice. She told me that the pepper is so hard, so she divided even one. No, she's not using the full pepper, she's just using half for the jollof rice. As you can see, the onion is still cooking, so we just added the mukwa salmon. It is cooking fine. It's her Italiano. It's not helping much. So she says tomatoes is rugu or zegu. Cotton one ma. Sharply, yaman is everywhere. Eat healthy. And then also the way she does her things is different from the way I do my things. I normally add the puree tomatoes first to the oil, and she is adding it straight after she has added the chopped tomatoes. So she has her own way of cooking. Orokodo. Oh yezi ban papa. This is Agnes kitchen, and I when you born matter the same. Agnes kitchen. I come The stew, the jollof rice stew is still cooking. I hope you are giving her the thumbs up. Don't give the thumbs up to Hilda's kitchen. Give it to Agnes kitchen. Agnes kitchen, she has developed a slogan. Agnes kitchen, Ibiza. Ibiza. She's adding some spices to it. So also a curry. She added curry, and this is smoked paprika. Yeah. So it's still happening, live and colored at Agnes.
Ginger and garlic.
Ginger and garlic sitting some. You see the way why number two if I number down
okay. Small names.
That's the Charlie. Give her the thumbs up party. If you are around, you can also connect. So we'll come to you and then you can cook on Hilda's Kitchen YouTube channel. Agnes Kitchen is happening. Agnes Kitchen.
Pizza. Sasa and then namuwesi. Okay.
Let's hold Jollof. The stew is still happening live. The lighting is not good, but trust me, it is happening live and colored. Agnes Kitchen.
Akwamadiwa. Pizza.
So you have a
Tuna.
Tuna. Is it the one with sunflower oil? Yeah. So are you going to add that to your stew?
Yes.
Okay. So she's adding tuna to the sauce now. Charlie Jollof rice no bad. Give her the thumbs up. She's trying. Agnes Kitchen.
Akwamadiwa. Pizza. I'm going to from some.
Debbie, that's the boy. She's going to use Maggie cube, and it's so hard. Initially, she wanted to use her hand to try and see if it will get any softer. So she's using a African tapoli.
Tapoli. This is tapoli. Okay.
Agnes Kitchen.
Akwamadiwa. Pizza.
That's right. Give her the thumbs up. She's trying. Yeah, Orokodo.
Ombonje there.
Yeah, nyaguna. Hi, doesn't talk crazy.
Hey, Mukromosi, Ibiza na sa ne de basa nedi.
Cotton one, ma tell them.
One.
Yeah, she's trying to wash her rice. So what type of rice are you using? What's the name of the rice?
Alibaba.
Alibaba Foster. Nyaguna. Hi, doesn't talk crazy. Alibaba is kind of basmati rice, yeah. Now we are adding the rice to the sauce, and then finally we'll add hot water. So she's trying to boil her hot water in here. But you've been talking kettle, she need kettle. So she can boil water quickly instead of using the hob to boil water. That's right. You see the bits. Cotton one.
Wala baba.
That's right.
Wala baba, that's right. Come and see you.
Yeah, she's adding more salt because the cube on its own wasn't enough.
Wow. Ah.
She's trying to kind of show a tomatoes, She want the sauce just to,
Hand them.
hand them. Listen to the broth, She want the tomatoes to hand the ham, before she will finally add the water.
Yeah.
Agnes Kitchen.
Akwamadiwa. Ibiza. Ibiza na sa na de basa nedi.
That's right.
Choose one.
Yeah, she's now adding the water finally to the rice. Yeah, orokodo. Azanaya kondo. Yes, this is Agnes Kitchen. Will you eat? That's right. Hi, doesn't talk crazy. Nunume.
This one goes minimus. Wow. Wow.
This jollof rice is going to be delicious. Soko. Agnes Kitchen.
Ibiza, Akwamadiwa.
That's right. And we had the obey condo, but your 4 plates in the brenner. Agnes kitchen, or see a bizarre. Or it's happening. Says in Sukakrabo Gumibio. Or channel padded a fry in the shoe and and mono. Yes, Orokodo. That is Agnes Jollof rice. And mono no condensation boko. Wow. Orokodo patch 4 plates in the bread. The food is ready to go. Mom bonje, do you see? Clean as you go. Papa be your chance no. Cotton one. Orokodo is banana area and orokodo or yeasy ban papo. This is Agnes kitchen. Tell them to subscribe, to like your video, subscribe and share. So go on. Like the video.
Like the video, subscribe and share.
This is it. That's right. Thank you for
watching my jollof, okay?
Okay, give her the thumbs up. At least she has tried following the instructions and everything. It's not easy to cook, so give her the thumbs up. Agnes kitchen is ban papo. Agnes kitchen.